In this video, we will get familiar with screen replacement. You can use this technique to separate a part of the photo and replace it with another photo. I have a video file here. Let me play it. And you can see that there's a TV screen here inside my window which is playing. I want to replace this screen with some other videos, and you can see these videos here. Well, I've marked here some of these areas so that it will change. To do this, I need to go to the pen tool and select some parts. Well, first I need to come on this button so that it will be like a mask for me here. Something like this. I can come on this mask and select subtract. And I need to change some parts of my mask here. Well, something like this. Well, in order for my video to play exactly from this marker, I can minimize this. Then I go to the next marker. Up to here. The next marker. Here and the last marker up to here. Well, I've replaced these. I just need to play it once. I need to change the sizes a little bit. I maximize this a little bit. I need to maximize the mask. Well, like this. Well, you can see here that my photo is a little bit in these areas blur, and it also needs to be in 3D format here. First, I click on the blur effect here, find it here, and add a Gaussian blur. And I add it to here. And then go to the effect controls and blur these. I also need to add feather to my photo a little bit. I go to mask and add feather, some feather to my mask. Then this button. Well, I need to reduce that feather a little bit. Like this. And the last footage like this. I reduced the blurriness in this a little bit. Well, you can see that. I have replaced my file. Let me play it once. You can also add a text to the photo. Click on the link above and watch our video on adding animators. And you can see how I've replaced my files. You can also change the footages into 3Ds based on the angle which they have, and rotate the angles to get a more exact 3D footage. For example, here, it is also rotated a little bit. It looks more natural. Well, I played once more. Okay, you can see that. The replacing is done. And you can also add different effects on your photo. Thank you for watching this video. You can click on the link below to subscribe to our channel, where we have plenty of more videos for you.